Hi there, students. A preceptor. A preceptor. Okay, a preceptor is a noun. It's a person. I think we probably most commonly find this word a preceptor in the United States to talk about a doctor, a practicing doctor, who gives practical training and experience to students, to people who are studying to be doctors or nurses. And I think this is the major area, or the most common area, where you will find the use of this word, a preceptor. It's a doctor a working doctor who teaches students what to do, who teaches students who are trying to become doctors, or as well a nurse who has a lot of experience, who is a working nurse and is teaching the students what they should be doing, and this is a preceptor. We can use this word, a preceptor, more generally to mean a teacher or an instructor. So I guess you could call me your preceptor in the English language. I'm teaching you how to use it. The point really with a preceptor, though, is a preceptor is training somebody how to do a job. So if I was training you all to be teachers, well, many of you are training to be teachers or are teachers, then maybe you could call me a preceptor. But a preceptor, if I was a preceptor, I would be teaching you how to teach. I would be showing you different techniques. So the preceptor showed me different techniques to teach this type of vocabulary in class. So it's a teacher trainer, or somebody who trains people to do a specific job, particularly the job of a doctor or a nurse. You can also use this word very formally. For example, a Buddhist monastery has a preceptor. So for this we need to think about the word a precept. Okay, a precept is an idea, a rule, a principle, a basic principle, particularly one that talks about your own personal conduct. So the precepts of how you do this, of what you should be doing. And a preceptor teaches people what they should be doing. But so in a Buddhist monastery, the preceptor is teaching people, or teaching the monks, what they should be doing. In the Knights Templar and the Knights Hospitalier, there are preceptories, which are places where the members of the order can go, and this is the person who teaches them what to do. In Freemasonry, in the Masons, the preceptor is the person who teaches the members to do their rituals properly. The preceptor is an expert in the rituals, and he teaches each of the members to carry out their rituals in the appointed way. In a Christian monastery, the preceptor would be a monk who is responsible for the music. He trains the monk in the traditions of the singing of the services and the prayers. So he's a bit like a precentor as well. In some universities, you will find preceptors as well, because preceptors here are volunteers who help the professors, they help the teaching assistants. So it's effectively an extra helper, somebody to help teach. So A preceptor. This is somebody who effectively teaches you the precepts, the rules, the principles governing what you should be doing. It's somebody who trains people to do their job. So he was employed as a preceptor to help medical students pass their exams. So, preceptor, formality. This is really quite formal. I'm going to go 7.5 in formality. Use in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. Okay, let's see. In Middle English we have a preceptor, from Latin praeceptor, commander, instructor. From praecipio, prae, before, and capio, to take, to understand. So, the preceptor, a teacher, a tutor. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Preceptor.